Right, so let me show you how to save a Google Docs document offline so that you can access it later, even without internet. You can read and do whatever you want to do with it. So this is a Google Docs document. And so what you need to do to save it offline is to first click on File in the top left corner and then click on Download. Now you have several download options. You can save it as a Microsoft Word document, which means if you have the Microsoft Word application, you can use it to open this document and possibly even edit it inside Microsoft Word. You can download it in the open document format. So that means if you have any ODT applications, it's gonna open that file. You can save it in so many formats, including PDF. So depending on what you want to do with the document later, you can choose any of these options. Now, for me, I'd like to save it in PDF because it kind of retains the formatting and it's very hard to get corrupted. Okay, so I'll just select PDF document and then it's going to give me this dialog box where I can name the document. So I'll save it my offline documents. I'll just call it that. You can call it anything you want, really. And then since I've chosen to save it as a PDF file, here it is. I'll click on save. Now, this document will be accessible even if I don't have internet. I can just go to where I've saved it. Here it is. And I can access it at any time and just open it without internet connection. I can send this to my friends so they can save it on their phones as well. And they can use PDF viewers to view that document without any internet. So that is basically how to save a Google Docs document offline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.